Hello everybody and welcome. Yes, this is Dave again, and I am back with yet another accessory for my CyberTruck. This accessory is a little unique. I needed some storage under the rear back seat in the CyberTruck. It is a 60-40 split. For you Einsteins out there, that is 3 seats. Yeah, you can raise 2, that's 60%, or I can raise 1, that's 40%. And let's see, 40 and 6, oh, it's 100% if you raise all 3 seats. But once in a while, you're out maybe shopping and you got a whole pile of groceries, you need to put them inside, and you've got an extra person with you. That extra person has to sit someplace. I suppose you can put them up on top like Aunt Edna, but that's probably not very practical. However, if they're sitting in the back, you can raise 2 seats, but you got another problem. If you've got a 6-foot storage thing under the back of your CyberTruck, that's using up the space for our groceries because it's already full of crap in the back. So what do? You install a storage system like this in the back of your CyberTruck. Why is this so important? Because one is under each seat. If you need that space, you can raise the seat, you can put the storage bin into the vault, and put your stuff inside. That's what makes the Hansshow storage system really unique. All right, let's have a look at the rear seats. I'll show you exactly how they work and why this sectional Hansshow storage system is really the bomb. This is the 60 side, that is the 40 side. You have your seat belt, and under it is this very cool cyber ring, and if I pull it, I release the seat, and it clips up like that. This is the back of the CyberTruck. It's huge. Gee, I think you could probably put a half a cord of wood back here if you had to, but probably not. Why is a sectional storage a better idea than a big giant 6-foot? Because if I need this space to haul goods, groceries, people, wood, whatever, I can't do it with a 6-foot storage bin back here. Could I put it on top of the seats? Of course. We don't want to do that. Well, how do we solve it? With sectional storage, like what Hanshow's done, I can remove sections, put them into the vault, and put all my groceries in here. This is what the Hansshow storage looks like. Of course, this strap here hooks around a bar behind, holding it in place. It's made from Velcro. It's easy to remove. What's cool about that is you can easily remove it as necessary. How does it fit? Pull the handle. Sits right underneath the seat, out of the way. Now, if you've owned a CyberTruck, you know this. Not only does it go fast, but all the stuff that's here ends up underneath the seat. Can't happen anymore with the storage under here, which is a cool thing. I don't know how many times I've had to look for stuff and it's slid up underneath the seat. And of course, the other seat folds down as well. Now, back to my point. We're hauling a bunch of groceries and my third person sitting here, but I've got all this stuff now, and I need this space. What do? If I have a 6-foot storage bin, I have to take the whole thing out. Not with this. You unclip each one and remove it, and what do you have? A huge amount of space for storage. Very cool idea. So there you go. It's very flexible. I can easily add and remove sections. It sits underneath the seat, out of the way. The strap on each holds it in. There's even some Velcro on the back where you can stick it onto the carpet if you want to do that as well. So there you are. The Hansshow under-seat CyberTruck storage bin. What could be easier? You buy storage, you stick it under your CyberTruck rear seat. Move it around as necessary. If you don't own a CyberTruck, maybe you need to buy a CyberTruck. And you know what? The referral link shown at the bottom of the screen will get you a discount in buying that CyberTruck. If you like my videos, give me a like. Please subscribe as you don't want to miss any of my upcoming videos. And don't forget the referral link. When you buy that CyberTruck, it'll get you a discount. Thank you for watching. I'll look for you in the upcoming videos and take care.